Welcome to Givat Hariyot Hill of Friendship.
Hello beautiful people, welcome to Givat Haret Hill of Friendship. Givat Haret symbolizing the rise of the Zionist vision a reality, who saw the wilderness as an opportunity to thrive, who dreamed of modern cities and nature and land, of songs and poetry, of a rich culture and brotherhood.
Ang ganda dito guys. Ang ganda. Puro bulaklak dito. Tapos may mga 2018, 1923. Haim Gori. I want to write again something lasting, enduring, not like me, passing, transient, something that will surprise me, that will thank me for making it before I go to the other place at the age of my existence. Haim Gori, ito siyang lalaki. Oh. Ganda siguro yan dito pag gabi kasi umiilaw. Puro halaman. Parang memorial siya. May nakalibing dito. May nakalibing dito, oh. Isa, dalawa. Kanino kaya itong memorial? First time ko dito nakapunta. Siya yung yung nasa picture. Yan siya, oh. Libingan niya pala. Isa, dalawa, tatlong nakalibing dito. Yung mga gawa niya, oh. Mga accomplishment niya noong unang panahon. Ayan siya. To this day, Ramat Gan is known as the greeniest city in Israel, with green areas accounting for around 25% of the city. Siya palang nagtayo nito ng park. Ayan, oh. Kaya yung libingan niya nandito. Siya yung tumayo ng, siya yung gumawa ng park na ito, yung national park. Kaya yung libing, yung tomb niya nandito. Tatlo ang nakalibing dito. Ang ganda yung mga gawa niya, oh. May mga nakalibing dito, pamilya niya siguro.
This hill represents the momentous meeting between vision, spirit, and substance, between the giants of friendship of 1948, David Ben-Gurion, Israel's first Prime Minister, Avraham Krinitzi, one of the founders and the first mayor of Ramat Gan, and Haim Guri, poet and intellectual. Ben-Gurion, Krinitzi, and Guri each walked their own unique paths during the establishment of the State of Israel and the War of Independence, remaining true to the values of friendship and brotherhood.
Haim Gori. Oh. May books din dito. Ask your parents or grandparents about the games they used to play outdoor as kids. Ayan. Haim Gori wrote the poem about the Borough neighborhood nearby Givatayim. The neighborhood was founded 1922 at the same time as the city of Ramat Gan. Ay, ganda. Ayan. Ito. Siyaga. Ito yata. Yan. Challenge around the campfire. Stand in the circle around the campfire facing inward and hold hands. Keep holding hands and turn the circle inside out. Will you back to the campfire? Don't let go. Were you able to help each other? We're done. Now do it again twice and past time. Ito yung ito yung campfire. Ang ganda. Dito pag pinindot mo ito, tutugtog.
They were active in different fields, yet together they represent a generation that believed and dreamed, but also dared and worked together to create something from nothing. We invite you to explore the hill, to contemplate the activities of these three men, to dream the dream of the future and continue their path. Thank you for your support and God bless everyone.
May books dito. Did you know? What did you know? 1972 Ghetto Fighter. In 1972, Ghetto Fighter House Museum commissioned Haim Gori to make a film even though to have no prior experience. Ganyan pala. Nakadedicate pala sa kanya ang park na ito dahil siya ang gumawa ng park. May books. Ang laki ng mga gym dito. Grabe. Ang laki ng gym. Gym yan lahat. Gym. Grabe. Ang laki ng gym. Sisiw lang yung pinupuntahan ko ng mga gym. Ng mga public gym. Ito ang laki-laki. Grabe. Laki-laki ng gym dito. Yung mga pinupuntahan ko ng gym ang liit-liit. Pero dito grabe ang laki-laki. Ayan, ang haba-haba.